Woohoo! That was one big rock. Good morning, everyone. I am in the Southside Boularderie, on the island of Boularderie, which is part of the Cape Breton Islands. Today I'm gonna attempt the Cabot Trail, one of the most, if not the most, scenic route in Nova Scotia. First, let's get some breakfast. Yeah, thank you very much. All right, beautiful morning, blue skies, golden sunshine. And fire departments roaming the roads this morning. Ah, what a bridge! I'm gonna ride between 350 and 400 kilometers today. A third of it, maybe half of it, will be unpaved. So first time on dirt road with the new tires and the new everything. I'm excited and I can't wait to see how it's gonna be. I don't think there's any moose in Nova Scotia, but gotta keep an eye out. The scenery is already gorgeous. Yes, major accident. Like a truck fell on its side. Hey.
To the right.
World famous Cabot Trail. So many accidents this morning. This is the second one. I was supposed to cross on a narrow bridge. Hopefully it's no bad luck for what's gonna happen today. This trail is so famous, everybody's there, there's so much traffic. So I'm definitely gonna stick to the dirt road and skip the pavement as much as possible. Yes, Garmin, I am, of course. I know. Oh, it's a really long detour. What is going on? This is absurd. It's been 15 minutes. I can't even see the end of the line. It's so stupid. It's the perfect day. It's so nice outside. Well, I didn't have to take the back road. I could get back on the, well, on course. I'm on course. Oh, I love it. I love it already. I've made it to the dirt road. This is where it starts. Awesome. It's really perfect. The deeper I will go, the harder it's gonna get. I'm sure. So this is the actual trail. Oh yes. Woohoo! That was one big rock. That's one of the many problems I found with this bike. It doesn't have a high clearance. Anytime there's a bigger rock, I'm gonna hit it. The sunlight going through the branches is gorgeous, but it's hard to make out the ground. No, it's not too bad. Cool river down side. It's getting steeper. This is awesome. This is after 2 months riding, I think this is the best trail. Come on. Yeah, I'm having the best day of my life. Look down, look up, with all those branches. Oh wow. Okay. Third service possible here? Yeah, well, I don't have time to make any call. Keeps on climbing and climbing. I love it. Again, let's go. trail closed. That's not good. Why? Why? Landslide? Oh, looks like a... Okay. Let's have a look. Yeah, it definitely looks like it's closed. There's no way to cross that unless you've got an ATV. Let's find another trail.